everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Elizabeth, also known as Ninjabeauti, and today we're talking about something that could seriously change the way you train. We're going to be talking about weightlifting straps, especially women who might have a stronger lower body but struggle with grip strength. If you're lifting heavy but find that your grip is a limiting factor, this video is for you. Let's dive into the benefits of using straps and why they're a game changer in your fitness routine. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty. As women, many of us have strong legs and glutes from all the squats, all the lunges and leg presses we do, right? But when it comes to upper body exercises, particularly those pulling movements like deadlifts, rows, pull-ups, it's common for our grip strength to be a limiting factor. And that's where weightlifting straps come in. Straps help you grip the bar better by wrapping around the wrist and securing your hands to the weight. This means your hands don't have to bear the entire load of the lift, allowing you to focus on what really matters, engaging your muscles, like your back, legs, and glutes. The result? You can lift heavier, do more reps, and push through those plateaus. Let me show you how it works. When I'm doing a deadlift, notice how my grip strength starts to fail before my legs do. That's where the straps really shine. They allow me to hold onto the bar securely without worrying about my grip slipping. So I can focus on fully engaging my posterior chain, my glutes, my hamstring, and lower back without cutting my set short. Another benefit? Using straps can prevent you from over-gripping and straining your forearm, which means you can lift more without feeling the discomfort in your hands and wrists. It's also a great way to train more efficiently, especially on those heavy days when you want to hit those PRs. And let's be honest, ladies, we don't always have the biggest hands, and our grip isn't always the strongest, especially if we're doing exercises that demand a lot of holding power. It's normal, and that's okay. Weightlifting straps are there to kind of level the playing field so you can push yourself harder and achieve the results that you're working for. I'm going to post a link below of the exact weightlifting straps that I personally use if you want to check those out. So they'll be in the description box below. And to sum it up, weightlifting straps are a great tool for women who have stronger lower bodies but struggle with grip strength. They allow you to lift heavier, improve your performance, and focus on the muscles that you want to target without your hands holding you back. So if you're finding that your grip is limiting your progress, give straps a try. They could be the key to breaking through that next strength plateau. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips to level up your fitness journey. And if you have any questions about using straps or other gym gear, drop them in the comments below. I would love to help. See you next time. Bye.